In this lesson, we're looking at increasing a value by a given percentage. The word given appears in mathematics quite a lot. It just means that you have been told the percentage in the question. In this case, I can see a 24% in my question, as opposed to being asked to find a percentage. So, let's read the first question. A vintage car is valued at £12,995. The value of the car increases by 24% due to it appearing on a TV show. Find the new value of the car. Now, you may already feel that you can answer this question. However, it's very important that you learn to use what we're going to call the multiplier method. Now, the multiplier. In this case, we are trying to increase a value by 24%. The multiplier is 1.24. Then we simply say that the new value is the old value, and then we multiply it by the multiplier, and this goes straight into our calculator, which gives us a nice answer of 4.90. Because it's money, I'm going to add 2 decimal places. So to increase by 24%, we multiply by 1.24. As simple as that. This is the method you must use. Let's have a look at a few more examples. At the start of the summer, a tree is 4.3 meters tall. Over the summer, it grows by 14%. How tall is the tree by the end of the summer? Multiplier method. Think about that multiplier. To increase by 14%, our multiplier is 1.14. We'll talk about multipliers a little bit more in a moment. So, the new height is 4.3 multiplied by 1.14. Again, on our calculator. So the new height is 4.902 meters, which I'm going to do a wobbly equal sign and say that's about 4.9 meters. But again, we just multiply by the multiplier. Apologies. Question number 3. A tennis club has 560 members. After an advertising campaign, its membership grows by 43%. We need to know the multiplier. Let's just consider for a moment where these multipliers are coming from. A 43% increase, that's an increase of 43%, our multiplier is 1.43. If we were increasing by 72%, our multiplier would be 1.72. If we were increasing by 26%, 1.26. If we were increasing by 33%, it would be 1.33. And I hope just looking at this, you can see where these numbers are coming from. Imagine we were trying to increase by 57%. I'll pause there. What do you think the multiplier is going to be for 57%? I'm sure you're right. It's going to be 1.57. In this case, our multiplier is going to be 1.43. So, our new membership numbers, our new
membership is 560 multiplied by 1.43. 560 times 1.43. Our membership comes out in our calculator as that, which I'm going to round to 801, rounded, because obviously we can't have 0.8 of a member. Okay, and moving on to the last question. A teacher is paid £37,652 each year. Due to some really good exam results, her salary is increased by 6.2% for the next year. What is her new salary? Now the challenge here is this multiplier. If we had a 6% increase, we have to be careful because this is a number less than 10, would give us a multiplier of 1.06. It would not be 1.6 because 1.6 is the same as 1.60, and that would be a 60% increase. So we have to be very careful when dealing with smaller percentages. So a 4% increase would be 1.04. Now, if we move back to our 6% increase, 6% is 1.06, but 6.2% is a multiplier of 1.062. I'm going to ask you, what would a multiplier of 7, if you had a 7.4% increase, what would our multiplier for 7.4 be? It would be 1.07, that's 7%, 1.074. But in this case, it's a 62% increase. So, her new salary we simply multiply by our multiplier. And our answer comes out, and I'm going to round that, in this case, to 2 decimal places because it's money. So the imperative here is that we use the multiplier method.